Welcome in my happy learning classes. So in today's oral practice, I have taken some new words for you so that you can learn more good new words. I hope you are learning or revising the words at your best. So let's start. Today I have taken 3 words like PR words, TR words and IRR words. So I hope you can see words clearly. So let's start. See, first is PR words, that is PRAISE, praise. Look for praise. Praise. Praise means when we admire somebody, that is praise. Means तारीफ करना. Price, PRICE, price. Price means cost of something, that is कीमत. जब हम कोई चीज़ खरीदते हैं उसकी कीमत होती है price. Look at the spelling PRICE, price. Then prime, PRIME, prime. Prime means which is very important and very necessary. That is जो सबसे ज़रूरी होता है, प्राथमिक. PRAY, pray. Pray means when we worship. And प्रार्थना जिसको बोलते हैं, pride, PRIDE, pride. Pride means when we do something with the feeling of goodness and feeling of faithfulness, that is गर्व से जब हम कोई बात करते हैं, that is pride. Then PRETEND, pretend. Pretend means to show off and to show that I'm like this but which is not true. Pretend means बहाने करना या दिखावा करना. Like student used to pretend if they don't want to go to school that they are having stomach ache, headache, something. So pretend means बहाने करना. Then prick is another word, that is prick means thorn, जिसको कांटा भी कह सकते हैं, और a hole with small with pointed thing. जब हम किसी नुकीली चीज से कुछ चीज चुभाते हैं, that is prick, right? When we prick balloon, it get burst, right? Print out, PRINT, print out, OUT, out. Print out means जब हम कुछ भी चीज़ कंप्यूटर पे या किसी भी मशीन पे लिखते हैं और उसको बाहर हमें उसकी सेम कॉपी निकालनी होती है, दैट इज प्रिंट आउट. हार्ड कॉपी जिसको बोलते हैं, दैट इज प्रिंट आउट. आई थिंक यू गेट क्लियर. नाउ TR वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट इज ट्राई, TRY, ट्राई. ट्राई मीन्स कोशिश करना, लाइक आई एम ट्राइंग टू टीच यू एट माई बेस्ट. ट्रिम, TRIM, trim. Trim means when we cut our nails, we call it trim. Trim means नाखून काटना. So trim. आपकी मैम बोलती हैं trim your nails regularly. It is a good habit. Then TRIP, trip. Trip when we go out for entertainment or for refreshment, that is trip. Treat, TREAT, treat. So when we do something good, so we get treat by our teachers, by our elders. Then troop, TROUP, troop. Troop, what is troop? Troop is a collective noun and it is for group of dancers. Then TROOP, troop. Again troop. Troop is again collective noun, group of monkeys and group of soldiers also called troop. So this is troop and this is troop. Spelling देखिए, TROUP, troop, and this is troop. Then trumpet. Trumpet is the sound of elephant. TRUMPET, trumpet. And trumpet is also an musical instrument. एक musical instrument भी होता है trumpet. Then true, TRUE, true. True means सही, जो correct होता है. True false आप करते हैं ना, जब आपको कोई भी statement true लगता है, like plants gives us food, so we say this statement true, और false जो होता है वो गलत होता है. Then after this IRR words. Look for IRR words. Spellings are long, so look carefully. First is irregular, IRREGULAR, irregular. Say with me, irregular. Irregular means which is not regular, means which is not constantly same. जो एक जैसा नहीं होता है वो irregular. Then irreducible. Irreducible means the thing which cannot be reduced, जिसे हम कम नहीं कर सकते हैं, that is irreducible. Then irrigate. Irrigate is when we water fields, that is irrigate. सिंचाई करना, जो पौधों को हम खेतों में सिंचाई करते हैं, that is irrigate. Then irritate. IRRITATE, irritate. Irritate means when we get annoyed. हमें गुस्सा आ जाता है ना जब हम चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं, that is irritate. Then irrefutable. Again this is new word, irrefutable. IRREFUTABLE. Irrefutable means when we can't disapprove anything. जब हम किसी चीज को झूठा साबित नहीं कर सकते हैं तो that is irrefutable. ना रिफ्यूज हम उसके लिए मना नहीं कर सकते हैं, दैट मीन्स वो ट्रू होता है, दैट इज irrefutable. After this, irreligious. Irreligious means which is not according to religion. Then irreparable. Irreparable means which cannot be repaired. Means उसकी कीमत कोई, मतलब उसकी कमी कोई भर नहीं सकता है. Like when we lost anybody in our life, our dear ones, it is irreparable, right? After this, the last one is irreversible. Irreversible, look at the spelling, IRREVERSIBLE. Irreversible means anything which can't be reversed again. Like if we cook food, so that food cannot be converted into the raw thing, so that is irreversible. So there are many changes which are irreversible, like change of milk into curd, change of fruits from raw to ripen. So these all are irreversible changes. So let's start and we will read the words properly. So start with me. Say praise, price, prime, pray, pride, pretend, prick, print out. After this, try, trim, trip, treat, troop, trumpet, true. And IRR words, listen carefully. Irregular, irreducible, irrigate, irritate, irrefutable, irreligious, irreparable, and the last one is irreversible. So I hope that you get all the words and watch again and again this video and try to write also these spellings. So happy learning and keep growing. Stay safe, stay happy. See you in next class. Have a good day.